If you are holding XRP, I have some breaking news for you. A massive move in the market is about to take place. We have the XRP ETF. There is a price prediction for $74 for XRP. Is that realistic? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about it, and there's a massive move about to take place this week for cryptocurrencies that I have to tell you about. Absolutely breaking news. You're not going to want to miss it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this emergency XRP crypto video. So Trump Media has announced that they are going to be buying about $2.5 billion in Bitcoin. That would pump the crypto market through a Bitcoin treasury. And that would pump XRP and altcoins massively. So that is really, really big. On top of that, look at this. Senator Loomis says Trump backs the Bitcoin Act bill to buy 1 million Bitcoin. That's like $100 billion, give or take, unless my math is wrong. And that's what he mentioned today, or they mentioned today at the Bitcoin 2025 conference. The Bitcoin conference is going on right now. XRP with a $74 price target. There's a lot of stuff going on about XRP we need to talk about, but first, let us take a look at the charts. What the heck is going on right now? So Bitcoin is starting to stall out and lose momentum here. We are forming lower highs here. This is short-term bearish for cryptos, including XRP. And we're just talking about the immediate short term. If this lower high confirms and Bitcoin ends up falling back to around 100K, I've been calling this pullback for a while now. Sounds like a broken record, yes, I know, but it's probably going to happen. Bitcoin is very, very likely to pull back to this particular level of around $100,000. There's a lot of liquidity here. And if this happens, altcoins are going to pull back, but this dump here, this pullback is going to provide an excellent buying opportunity for XRP and cryptos. If this doesn't happen and Bitcoin continues to break above these highs, make new all-time highs and keep pushing up further, XRP and cryptos are obviously going to keep moving up. The stock market is also forming lower highs, very strong bounce recently. There's a lot of bullish news and catalysts, and these headlines aren't even pushing up cryptos further. Taking a look at XRP, we can see XRP has since from the top to the very bottom corrected about 14%. So right now we're sitting around $2.30 and reaching a recent high of $2.65, give or take, based on your exchange. So a normal pullback, healthy pullback for XRP, but if Bitcoin continues to pull back, we're probably going to end up seeing, that's right, lower prices for XRP. We could even see around $2. So this is kind of where I'm thinking that XRP is going to probably pull back to if we get it. That's if Bitcoin gets this pullback. Bitcoin will pull back to the levels I'm talking about, but we still could keep pumping up further. One other thing that I'm talking about that's really going to kind of confirm my whole sentiment here is this is the previous all-time high for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is struggling, trying to break it and breaking a hold above it. So we are rejecting this previous all-time high so far, and that is meaning that we are at resistance. At resistance is where you want to sell and take profits if we cannot break above it. But if we do break and start holding above it, then we can look for higher prices as a breakout becomes more likely, not only for Bitcoin, but for XRP and altcoins as well. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon where we bought Bitcoin and XRP at the very bottom here. Yes, we were some of the only few people in the world to buy at the very bottom, load up, and we have been taking profits along the way. So we have fully played out this move, and we are now waiting for a dip. Make sure you guys join the Patreon so you can follow all of my exact trades and my constant daily market updates. So breaking news with XRP, look at this, Dubai. They have unveiled their real estate tokenization platform built on the XRP ledger. This is a $16 billion initiative. That's absolutely crazy. The biggest catalyst for XRP, in my opinion, in the short term, we have seen the delay of the ETF by the SEC, but guess what? We are going to see an approval very, very soon for an XRP spot ETF, and that is going to have a massive impact on the price of XRP when cryptos and altcoins really start to get going again. And look at this guy is calling for a $74 price prediction, the third wave breakout. What do you guys think about that? $74, is that a bit crazy? Well, depending on how high Bitcoin goes, depending on how bullish this crypto market truly is, especially with Trump pumping the market, XRP could go to, $20. That's the higher range that I'm seeing for XRP, but I think we will be lucky if we can get $7 XRP. Let me know your price prediction for XRP in the comments below. But also, make sure you guys are using ALGOSNIPER. This is a trading indicator that I have developed. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. It will tell you, look, this is Ethereum, when to sell and when to buy. You want to follow these signals, especially in the daily time frame, the 4-hour. These are really, really accurate signals. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. Make sure you guys are trading over on Blowfin. This is the platform that me and my community trade on. Here's a couple of trades that I've taken the last couple of days: $1,700, $900, about $500 just today. So a couple of $1,000. You guys can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. They're gonna give you guys a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below. And you're gonna have, most importantly, the reason why I recommend this platform is because it has the cheapest fees when it comes to literally trading. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you later.